So I got a job for the mini excavator out in the bush. I've got a bunch of fallen trees that are down underneath the snow, and they're just being a real pain to get them out of the way. I want to clear a path for a cabin. So I've got to get this thing out. I haven't run it since beginning of December. It's been sitting here for 6 weeks at least. So today's challenge is let's see if it starts after 6 weeks. It's about it's like 20 Fahrenheit, -5 Celsius. So anyways, here I'll reverse the camera where it's been sitting. So it's definitely been sitting. I haven't even started it yet. And actually I came down, I forgot the key. So we'll stop this and I'll come back with the key. Oh, battery's still alive. Just doing the glow plugs right now. Get my gloves. As you can see, it's been sitting here since before the first snowfall. There's no snow underneath it. Anyways, yeah, that was cool. Let's get it turned in the right direction and get it to the job site. Two-speed seems to be working fine. I put it in high speed there to get it to this point. So basically we're going to be going into the woods up here. Going to be turning right at the end of this, where that bend is, heading into the woods about probably, I'm going to say 1 kilometer. So I'll get my gimbal and we'll go for a ride. So basically the trail has been cut with the side-by-side to where I want to go, 1 kilometer in the bush. But this is the test. If I don't get into the trail over that snowbank, there's no sense even continuing. So let's see if I can get this in there. This is the worst scenario that we'll run into. Yeah, pretty much no hesitation. So yeah, I made it through there, no problem. So now the journey. All right, let's try this gimbal and drive this thing in. Move it up a bit. I guess I could get the arm out of the way. There we go. Rev it up a bit, put it in high gear. So this doesn't take 10 years. like steering when it's in high. Too much of a struggle for it. But anyways, this is the entrance to the back 40, I guess you'd call it. So I've got some, there we go. There we go. So I've got some trees that I've cut down back here, and it's hard to get in with the tractor to get them out because there's so many fallen trees underneath the snow. So the tractor keeps getting stuck on fallen tree stumps underneath the snow. So if I get this thing back here, at least I can move them out of the way, clear a nice path for the tractor. I don't have chains on the tractor, but I got some little spikes that I put in the treads. But yeah, this will be a long video. I usually shorten these videos, but guys, for some reason, they don't want me to do that. They want to hear the machine, they want to see it go, they don't want to fast forward, they don't want music. You know, fast forwarding, it just sounds all screwed up, so I usually put music in there, but they don't want that. They just want to hear the machine. So that's why you're going to get it in real time. I got time. Just try to make it less painful for the viewer. But I think this gimbal will help a lot, making it less painful. middle of the trail there's a divot. I was dragging a log out yesterday with the tractor. just walking ahead here to set the camera up, using the gimbal, doing some testing on that as well, just trying to get used to the damn thing. So here's another culvert I put in the summer. You can't see it, but this stream, I don't know if you can hear it. Get this thing to cooperate. You can see animals coming in here. Get a drink. This water never stops. It's spring fed. Doesn't matter how cold it is, there's always water flowing underneath. Anyways, let's see if I can get this thing set up. Of course, it's not cooperating. Yes, it does take, there's a learning curve here. Takes a little bit to get used to. So this is a tricky part. I'm going to set you down on the snow. Right here. Last big hill to climb. We're going to be close to where the job site is. This thing wants to keep going in the tracks. It's not cooperating. Anyways, we'll do low speed. I should use my foot pedals. I got winter boots on. Too big. Back into high here for a bit. And we're almost there, I promise. Oh, almost spun there. Yeah, it's a pretty good hill. Put it in low. I hope this gimbal's working out nice. It seems like it is. Yeah, it don't like high. Not on this hill. I think that's why I keep steering to the left. There's a tree that's laying across the trail up here, Just past that tree is where I turn in. Let's try high range again. We're almost at the top here. How should get going? Take the logs in. There. Gotta cut in a little bit further ahead. Cutting in right here. Switch to hand controls for the drive. That's what I'm talking about right there. There's a stump. There's a stump right there. Let's see if I can get it quickly. Yeah, see that? You hit them and the tractor gets hung up. It's difficult to do this with one hand. Oh, what happened? There you go. Stay still. I don't know why it keeps wigging out on me here. There we go. Maybe the battery's dying. Basically there you get the idea what I'm dealing with here. If I knew I was coming in here in the summer, oh, there goes all the snow off my roof. I would have come in here and cleared this up, but this was sort of a last minute thing. It's a last minute idea. Oh yeah, there's a big one. It's difficult to operate this with one hand. There we go. Out of the way. Okay, let's carry on and get this to its resting spot. top of a lot of branches, a lot of fallen trees. So what we'll do is we'll just park it up here for now. I don't have any chainsaws or anything like that with me. I just wanted to get this here to the site and let you see what I was doing with it a little bit. I don't want to make a crazy long video here. You know, 2 hours just driving a skid steer. I mean, excavator. So yeah, you can see what we got here. Let me just shut her down. This thing goes wonky every once in a while. So that's the path out this way and then down back to that trail that we just came in on. And then let's turn around. And these are the trees that I've taken down. I want to make a road to that swamp. So basically, yeah, I was coming in here and I was dragging this log out. Oh, I don't know why they keep doing that. Dragging this log out yesterday with the tractor, and I hit, laying across, you can actually see that little bit of that one right, it's still there. I got stuck big time right here. And let's get this thing up here a bit. I guess it's slow when you're trying to adjust this gimbal. It's very slow to react, but I guess that's why it's easier to watch. So yeah, and then I'm just dragging them out here, and then that's the trail we just came on, and then out to the mill. So basically I've got some poplar and some oak that I can take out here. Anyway, so that's our journey. Wintertime torture test for the LTMG mini excavator. So this will be a lot easier digging these branches out of the frozen ground to make a nice little road here. So yeah, next video.